And with the new Season 15 on Rollercoin now going strong, we also have the first progression event called Fury Ado. Let's check it out right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm not really sure if I pronounced that properly. Fury Ado, something for two? I don't know. Let me know what it means down below because I'm not entirely sure. So on my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin with the progression event at the top. Fury Ado. Okay, so something for two. Okay, you can see straight away that the Hamther Fleck has 10 petahash in power. That is a significant amount, okay? So this seems to be based all around the Arkham theme, the Batman theme, or the Ham-Man theme, okay? Something with Batman and Arkham. Something to do with the Joker, maybe, okay? So as you can see, there are just shy of 4 days remaining at the time of recording this video for this progression event for you to be able to complete it. The quests are as follows. When you get to a higher difficulty level in the game, that's 750 points. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace and except in the event pass at the moment because the season has just started, that's 1000 points for each and every RLT. When you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, that's 100 points. And when you spend 1 RLT in the event pass to purchase that gold pass, then you will get 2000 points for each and every RLT, and the gold pass costs 99.95 RLT, so let's call that 100 RLT, so 2000 points times that 100 RLT, so you'll basically be getting 200,000 points straight away, and that is without the multiplier, okay? So when you have the multiplier applied, obviously you need to multiply the points accordingly. So let's check out the list of rewards like I always like to do, thanks to the list provided by Piero. So here it is. The event is running from the 2nd of October, which is today at the time of recording this video when the new season just started, until the 7th of October, 3 p.m. UTC time. This is a 25 level progression event. So we can see at level 1 you've got 10 XP right away, so you can start getting those XP points to get you through the season pass even faster. Level 2, we've got 0.25 RLT, and we're also going to start getting some RST here with 50 RST at level 3. A couple of Burge edges there at level 4 and level 5, and some more EXP points for the season pass at level 6. Another Burge Edge at level 8, a couple of roller shows at level 9 and at level 10, and at level 11 and level 12 we've got the Furry Dancer, Banhammer Master, and that's going to give you 132 terahash at 0% bonus. If you've already got it, you can merge that into a more powerful miner as well. More XP points at level 14 and more RST at level 15. Another roller show, but this time it's the rare variation at 620 terahash with 1.66% bonus at level 16, and another roller show at level 17. More RST, this time it's 600 RST if you manage to make it to level 18. We've got the silver rack, which will give you a 7% bonus for each and every miner that you place on that rack at level 19. And another Fairy Dancer, but this time the rare edition with 625 terahash, 1.66% bonus at level 20. More XP points for the season pass at level 21, another 100 XP points, okay? Level 22, you've got the Money Maker, which is the uncommon version. It'll give you 708 terahash with 1.82% bonus. Now here we've got the Epic Roller Show at level 23 with 1.6 petahash and 2.08% bonus power attached to it. Kryptonite, there we go, the Batman theme, level 24 at 4.2 petahash per second with a 2.5% bonus attached to it. But wait for the big one, Hamther Fleck, the last and final miner and the most powerful, 10 petahash with a whopping 7.2% bonus attached to it if you manage to make it to level 25. If you manage to get all of these rewards and all of the miners, you'll be getting a miners power total of 18.8 petahash per second, with a minus bonus of 16.6% attached to all of those miners if you place all the miners in your room and on your racks. There is no temporary power in this progression event. However, there is 175 XP points for you to get almost through the very first level just by completing this progression event alone. And probably you'll be completing some of the daily quests at the same time as well. So that will get you past the first level if you do some of those quests as well. 1100 RST right off the bat with the very first progression event for you to be able to spend in the season store. So it's quite massive, okay? Another thing I'd like to mention is that with the multiplier, okay, this time you will be saving 50% when you convert your crypto to 5 RLT. All you need to do is exchange 5 RLT for you to be able to get a ×1 multiplier. That would normally be a 0.5 multiplier when you exchange crypto to 5 RLT. So you're getting 50% off right there, okay, to be able to get through this event even faster. Now just remember that you do need just shy of 40 million points in order to clear the entire progression event and get all of the rewards. I would say that you could do that with a multiplier of ×22, something like that, okay? Depends how lucky you are with the loot boxes as well. Remember that you are getting discounts. You've got the 35% discount on TRX at the moment, okay? So be sure to take note of that and to leverage that. So if you go to the Rollercoin wallet, you can see there's 35% on TRX. So definitely be sure to use that. So with the 35% discount applied, let's say you want to get a ×22 multiplier, all you would be spending here is $71 to get 105 RLT. So that 105 RLT will give you a ×22 multiplier. Usually, without a discount, you would be getting 71 RLT, not 105, okay? So here you're essentially getting more of a multiplier and more RLT for spending less of your crypto. And you're getting even more of a multiplier because of that 50% discount with the start of the new season as well, okay? Because this multiplier wouldn't be ×22 here, it would be something like ×11, okay? It would be half that ×22, so you'd be up here at ×11, okay? So you're getting more for less, okay? So be sure to leverage these special deals because they'll definitely help you get through the event much faster. Just remember, it's 40 million points in total. It's not a small amount, so you might need to get at least ×22. Depends how lucky you are if you're going to open loot boxes. I would recommend buying the season pass when you actually have the highest multiplier that you possibly think you're going to get. But definitely at minimum, I would recommend a ×22 multiplier to give you a good chance at completing. If you can actually stretch it to a ×30 multiplier, that will definitely help you out a lot. And you wouldn't even be spending $100, it's $98, and you'll be getting 145 RLT that you can spend obviously to open those loot boxes as well with a ×30 multiplier. That will help to significantly boost you up. Just make sure that you leverage that 35% discount on TRX, okay? So that is pretty much it for the rewards list and pretty much it for the progression event. I hope that you do manage to make it to the very end, and please do let me know what this means, what the name of the progression event is, because I'm not sure. I know it's something for 2, but I'm not really sure what it really actually means. It's probably a play on words as well. Something to do with the Joker and craziness and things like that, okay? But I'm not entirely sure. Let me know, pop your comments down in the comment section below. Have a great one and good luck. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below and smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.